Wendella nos han mandado aquí a hacer el tour. Luego, ¿sí?
¿Cómo lo hacemos?
¿Te han dado la guía?
Sí, ¿el primero o el segundo?
Ahora lo hablamos. Thank you.
Please look out here to your right. Look up ahead at the west end of Trump Tower, and coming into view will be a 52-story black building. This is the American Medical Association Plaza building.
Va rápido.
It's a very well-designed modern building. An example of this are the double glazed exterior. And now to your right are the twin towers known as Marina City. These were designed by Bertrand Woodward, who was a student of James Vanderbilt. Bertrand was very much of a pioneer, as this was the first residential tower coming to the Chicago River back in 1964. Nature, and much of his work was on to the next bridge on our right, we'll be going by three post-modern buildings. The first one is the River Northwestern Hotel, formerly the Hotel Nico. The larger building used to be called Quaker Tower, and now is owned by the American Bar Association. I'd always like to point out this restaurant to our right, even though it's being renovated this year. The city decided to widen the South Street up ahead, so this building had to become a little bit shorter. It's still very typical of the old warehouses in early Chicago. They tended to come right up to As we go to the next bridge on the right, we'll be 1 by 300 north and south, a brand new 60-story office building designed by Pickford Chilton, and it's a good example of pre-modern architecture. Look at the footwall of this building, hardly articulated with glassing or aluminum, and maximizing the amount of students are responding to the flow of the water coming from the east and the north branches of the water of the river coming into the south branch. In front of this building, they have a 2.5-acre riverfront plaza that sits over 5 railroad tracks. When they were building this building, they had to be careful that the caissons did not run into the blue line transit trains. As you can see, we're making a right turn to go a little ways up into the north branch of the Chicago River. And we're going to be emphasizing a residential house. It is 108 years old. Started out as the old storage building, and back when it started, it had absolutely no holes in its walls. Harry Lee stood on the dock renovating this building, and it was a rather difficult assignment. These columns that you see in the core, they weigh a ton per foot. It can support 27 medium pounds. Looking to your right and then up ahead, next tall building with a clock at the top. The symbol underneath the clock indicates in the river it is Art Deco, but along the street side it is Neo-French Classicism, as they were trying to imitate the French opera. Well, I like to think that Chicago keeps on coming up with clever ways to help pedestrians like you and I move around the street, and I'm going to try to demonstrate this to you in the next two buildings. River in the world today to be flowing backwards. Looks like we're turning around here. I want you to look out right in front of the boat. You're looking at the fourth major real estate development area along the river. If you look here to your right, you see the bridge out there. Beyond the bridge, you see that large open area. That's 62 open acres. That's called 78, and that is the fifth major real estate development area in along the river. We have drills underneath the windows with decorative rivets. Those decorative rivets and that little bridge at the top of the building keep the building picture this huge seabed that you can see. It was very useful back in the days to bring right in here and take footprints on it. dock. It's called the Marina. It's probably the most popular place. I predict by 5 o'clock this afternoon there'll be 5. To your right is Wabash Crossing. In the back. To your left is the Chicago Tribune Tower. In fact, in 1925, that's very fine. And off to your left is Lake signed by George Chicago. They were students of Dean's Vanderbilt and wanted to do something to honor their literature. So they went to Mies looking for a starter idea, and he had a starter idea for them. It came to Mies back in 1921, but he had nowhere in Germany. Most likely will be very pleasing to the architect over. Captain John's going to try to stall the boat a little bit. If you want to stand up, bring the party over here, get a picture with the skyline in the back, you can do that, but you have to hurry because you cannot stay here very long.